again. We are back again. So, you know where we ended last month. We are back again. We are back again. For those who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are about to trade. We are about to trade NFP live together, NFP with market director. The only one who is directing the market, please confirm on the chat section. If you can hear me, say sharp. Comment with your sharp on the comment section. If you can hear me, guys. This is your boy market director. Comment on the chat section so that I can continue. I want to feel the heat on the room. Sharp. Okay. At least you can hear me. So I'll just be short, guys, so that I cannot waste any time, as we have 10 minutes to NFP. We have 10 minutes to NFP. So non-farm payroll, my presentation for today. Let's continue. Good. You all know that Forex is a risk. This is a terms and conditions and everything. You all know about disclaimer. This is Forex disclaimer. Let's get started. All who doesn't know NFP, the non-farm payroll report represents the number of jobs added or lost in the US economy over the past month, meaning that is the statistics of the payroll report on US Department Labor. So let's go today. We have NFP and employment change statistics, meaning that NFP and employment change happen at the same time, which is 15:30. So today's statistics for NFP, we have 261K, then our forecast is 200K, our previous is 315K. So our employment rate change, we have 3.7, and then our forecast is 3.6. Then our previous is 3.5. Then let's go to CAD employment change. This is the first time at BullvsBear trading CAD employment change live with you guys. So CAD employment change, this is huge, guys. Our actual is 108.3K. Our forecast is 10.0K, and then our previous is 21.1K. So let's go. Are you guys ready? Let's go. We have 10 minutes. Are you guys ready? I just want to feel the heat again before I can continue. I just want to feel the heat of the room. Power. Let's unmute ourselves and say power. Power market director.
Power. Director. Power.
I can feel the heat. Make sure that you have proper internet connection. No one, there is no a baby next to you. There is nothing that you can throw on the TV. You are on the peaceful room. There is nothing that there is no one who can, if you make mistake, there is no one that you can beat. You have to be alone with your account, in a quiet space, with a proper internet connection. Do you guys have all that? We are 9 minutes away from NFP. We are 9 minutes away from NFP. 9 minutes away NFP. Okay, guys, let me give you the statistics of my NFP. If we kill this NFP today, I will have 11/12. 11/12 on NFP if we kill today's NFP, guys. This is so wonderful, and then this is a wonderful statistics. For sure, no one has it in this live or in this Zoom session. No one has that statistics. This is your boy, market director. Now I'm going to change my name. I'm going to be Fundamental God if we kill this NFP for today. But anyway, let me not waste your time. And then the rules of NFP, I'm going to share the timer. We are going to open our trade when it's 15, 29, and 29 seconds. We are going to open our trade when it's 15, 29, and 29 seconds. So let's continue so that you guys can open the proper chart and then everything. So the strategy is like this. For my strategy, I don't want you to tell me about your mentor. I don't want you to tell me about anyone who you know on the YouTube. I say if actual is higher than forecast, we buy USD JPY, we sell NZD USD, we sell gold. If actual is lower than forecast, we sell USD JPY, we buy NZD USD, we buy gold. So let's go, as you all saw the statistics of today. Then today we buy USD JPY, we buy CAD JPY for CAD employment change, we sell NZD USD, we sell gold, we sell Nasdaq, we sell US30. We have one direction of NFP without any projection. CAD will be so massive, CAD JPY will shoot strong, guys. Okay, now I'm going to share my meta trade. Let me check the time. Okay, we still have 7 minutes. Anything that you guys want to add or want to comment, the mic is on your screen. Just unmute yourself and then disagree if you disagree. Anyone who want to add something, we buy USD JPY, we buy CAD JPY, we sell NZD USD, we sell gold, we sell Nasdaq, we sell US30, 15, 29 seconds today now. Okay? We don't have SL, guys. We don't do anything. I can't give you the SL for this currency pairs. You just, if we lose, guys, don't remember that I am not god of market. This is my strategy. And then if you are following me, you are following me at your own risk, at your own loss. If we win, we are happy. If we lose together, as I'm going to trade my live account with you guys, as we are traders. We know that we don't lose, we learn in Forex. Okay, we are 5 minutes away from NFP. 5 minutes away from NFP. Okay, let me go to my timer. I hope you guys are well. US state. US state. USD JPY and NZD. Okay, this is our timer. We have as I'm trading with Ubuntu Investment and Super Forex, I will open my trade when our time is 29. Because of you, I don't want to be affected with the brokers situation. As you all know that some brokers, they won't accept your entries because of they know that they are killed, okay? Because they know that they are killed. You will be killing the brokers with market director, the only one, guys, the only one who is directing the market with the director stick. So we are 3 minutes away from NFP. So make sure that you have proper network, everything is clean and clear on your side, guys. Please make sure that you have everything, your network, everything is clean and clear in front of you. So I will be opening my chart. I don't know if I'm going to, okay, it's fine. Let me stop and then share with the guys my MetaTrade 5. This is my MetaTrade 5. Then on US30, I will go with, let me put this. I'll go with, can you guys see my screen? This is my live account. This is the real account. Yes. This is a real amount. I'm not trading demo. If I'm risking my account, I will never allow you to risk your account if I was not trading the real account. We are trading the real account. So let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. Remember that we sell US30, we sell NZD USD, we sell gold, we buy USD JPY, we buy CAD JPY, we sell Nasdaq. So let me just make everything. One full lot. This is a currency pair. I will go with 0.50 and then gold with 0.20 because gold is too much. 0.20. Then USD JPY, I'll go with 0.20. CAD JPY, I will go with 1 because of I saw it's going to shoot high with 1. Then Nasdaq, I'll go with 0.50. Okay, We are, let me check my timer. We are 1 minute from NFP, 1 minute away from NFP. We are going to open. If guys, I will appreciate if we open our trade at the same time, because I don't want you to be affected by the brokers. Please make sure that you are trading. If you want to choose one thing, you can choose one thing and try your luck. Please don't trade everything if it will disturb you. We are 30 seconds before we open the trade. This is your boy, Market Director, the only one with direction stick in the mind. I'm the Market Director, the only one. We are 20 seconds away from NFP, guys. We are going to open our trade 1 minute before NFP, or let's say 20 seconds before NFP. Okay. This is your boy, Market Director. This is your boy, Market Director. Please confirm if you can see my screen. I'm going to open my trade. Let's open. If you are using the broker that have problem, open your trade. I'm on my US30 trade. I'm on my NZD trade. I'm on my gold trade. I'm on my USD JPY trade. I'm on my CAD JPY trade. I'm on my NASDAQ trade. This is your boy, Market Director. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, let me open gold this side. Let me open gold this side. Buy gold. Okay. Okay, guys, this is your boy, Market Director. This is your boy, Market Director. We are about to have NFP. We are 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's NFP, guys. Let's go and see what's happening. It's NFP, guys. It's NFP. It's NFP, guys. This is what's happening. Why? You really buy on this account. We killed this one. We killed NFP, guys. You can close.
Power, my king. Power.
This is the boy, my king. This is the one direction on Super Forex. Shit. We killed Mario. No.
Power.
Oh no. Kill, guys. Kill. Mudimu. Man, no. Okay, but anyway, this is your boy, Market Director. We killed, guys. We killed. Please confirm.
Power, Mr. Market Director.
Power.
You can close, guys. Let's close.
Let's
close.
10,000 profit.
Let's close. This is your boy, Market Director, the only one, which is 11/12, 2022. I'm done for the year, guys. This is your boy, Market Director.
This way.
This is your
Power,
boy,
my G.
Market Director.
Yeah.
This is your boy, Market Director, guys. This is your boy, Market Director. Did you guys make money? Please comment.
Now we in profits, my guy. We in profit.
Oh my God, you know what? This is my first time.
Thank you,
from
my
$10
king.
to $99.
Thank you, my king.
Good, my king. Power, guys. Power. This is your boy, Market Director. The only one. Only one in the building. Power. Please close your trade. We are done for the week. For the week, guys. We are done for the week.
Power, my king. Power.
Okay, guys, I'm about to leave you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for trusting my strategy. This is your boy, Market Director. I'm signing out.
Wes.